Yes. We are now minutes away from match time. Jamaica versus El Salvador. And how you feel? How you feel, eh? We feel confident. I say the Reggae Boys get the job done tonight. And it's simple. Without yet playing our best football or fielding our strongest team, Jamaica is ranked at 59 and El Salvador at 65 on the FIFA list. Not much in that. But man for man, player for player, I think Jamaica is a better football team than El Salvador. Now, football is not played on ranking or on paper. But if we do what we're supposed to do and do it smartly, we're supposed to wrap up them little 3 points and run left on El Salvador. And again, this Jamaica team was built for games like these. If you follow the Reggae Boys over the last 3 to 4 years, they have played 3 or 4 times more games away from home than they have played at home. There is a reason why we only have 1 home point and 4 away points in this campaign so far. So when we add and subtract and multiply everything, this El Salvador team cannot beat Jamaica. And that is why the Mavericks are relaxed and easy. Yes, we don't nervous. We don't nervous, man. The Maverick don't nervous. The Maverick easy, but what time? That's too much time. The Maverick easy, the Maverick don't nervous. The Maverick easy, the Maverick don't nervous.